Get back! You are running, right? You are running. Keep on running. If you don't come back here now, I am going to cut these two tiny legs of yours. Come back here. Come here.
Stop now.
Please.
Stop it, eh? She's just a child.
Who is a child? I got the one, a child. Eh? A girl that is ripe for marriage. You are calling her a child. Now let me ask you. Are you not aware of the embarrassment this girl caused me yesterday here when my in-laws came here? Are you not aware? A girl that they came to pay her bride price, she disappeared into thin air, causing me embarrassment. Huh?
Because then I just went to the bush to check my trap.
Oh, wonderful. You went to the bush to check your trap. Now let me ask you. A maiden that they are coming to pay her bride price, is she supposed to be in the bush checking her trap, or she should be at home to receive her husbands? Answer me. What is the right thing for her to do?
No, I'm not going to marry that old man. No. I will not marry that old man. Mbano.
Did you hear what this your daughter just said? Now, it's okay. I can see you don't even know who your father is. But now let me make it clear to you. You must marry only the man that comes here with the biggest goat and the fattest 2 parts of yam. If not, you will never marry. And you will now remain in this hut. You must marry such men.
Now, if that is what you're going to say, okay, you have to drag me to the person's house. You have to drag me to that man.
Me! Did you hear what this girl said?
Stop now. Stop chasing this girl.
Well, this girl is not exchanging words with me.
She's not exchanging words with you now. Stop.
Your daughter is not challenging me
now.
in my own heart.
Because I'm begging you, please. You will chase this girl and follow.
Who?
I will not apply hot water on your body.
Me fall. I go. Never. I can see you don't even know me again. You have forgotten the man you married. But by the time I show this girl what I'm made of, you will know that Ago is always Ago. You see you. If you don't come back to this hut, I bet you I will make sure I cut those tiny legs of yours. In my own heart.
Okay. What's it, Oma?
Why are you here so early?
I've been coming and meeting your absence. So I had to come this early so I would see you.
Well, you can see I'm heading out. It's a busy day for me today.
Okay, when are we going to spend time together? We should become man and wife.
Please, I'm running late.
I'm being late. Okay, I'll stay here and wait for you. And I'll also make something delicious for you. Go well, eh?
9 parts of palm oil. How can it not be good? The old man knows money.
Mama. What is it? Why is your face like this? Okay, you did you see my son? At least you met him at home today.
Yes, I met him on my way. He already left. But he pays me less attention.
He left without eating?
He didn't eat.
Well, it's not unusual of him. But one thing I know is that it will make him come back early to have his meal. Don't worry.
In that case, let me make something for him myself. I told him I will.
Say you get to know my son better. As a wife, keep smiling. Frowning will not help you. When you smile, you have everything falling for you. When both of you live together, you get to study each other, know each other, and know how to live with each other, okay?
Thank you, Nne. I'm so blessed to have you by my side.
And I am so happy to have you here. I am here for you, both as your mother and as your mother-in-law.
Thank you.
Okay, let me allow you to cook. Let me go inside and get ready for the day. Since you say you want to cook for him.
Okay.
All right, careful.
How long have you been standing here?
Long enough to notice that you can actually do things like this.
Nne, why are you staring at me now?
Allow me to stare, my daughter. Allow me. So you can actually do a woman's duties. Instead of running around the whole forest, chasing after wild prey, in the name of hunting. A man's job.
Nne, I know that hunting is a man's job, but it's what I love doing. It can also be a woman's job. Nne, do you remember the last one I brought? The last meat I caught? Hey! The one you cooked? Nne, you need to see. My father was eating this thing. He was licking his hands. Hey! Nne, you need to see. It's not like I can't do women's job. I'm doing this one. I can cook. I can sweep. It's just that it's what I love doing. It makes me happy.
And have you ever bothered considering the fact that maybe it is the hunting that is stopping suitors from coming? I've seen some that have come, yes. But each time they remember the hunting, can also name me?
That's a lie. It's Papa. Oh. It's Papa. The ones I brought, he rejected them.
Machi, you know your father and his standards. You know his mindset and his beliefs where it concerns a woman is that her worth is in how big her dowry is. It must come with the largest goats, the biggest yams. That is when he knows that the woman has worth something. And you know when it comes to you, his only daughter, the standards are very high. His own is they must come with the biggest, the largest of goats, the biggest yams. And you and I know that these young boys can barely survive Kofozi with the good items.
Mama, what about my own happiness? Well, if Papa wants me to marry a man because of large goats and big fat yams, Mama, I cannot do that. I want my happiness. I want to be with someone that when I'm around him and I look at the person, I smile. No, when I'm around the person, I'm frowning or I'm agitated. Mama, if that is what he wants, that means I'm going to stay in this house and become Nagano.
Mba, shut up and don't ever say that. You will definitely marry. Just put your father's feeling into consideration. I believe you get the best.
Well, when I see the best, I'll know.
And if you don't see the one that is up to his standard,
Mama, I'm coming. Let me go and boil this thing so that we can make soup. Mama, I will see the right man.
should I take this ones inside?
No, Mama.
No. Oh, hey, my children.
Ne.
You people are back.
No.
Oh, no. No. Oh, it's a woman.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I knew what I brought him it.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. Hey, what will I even have done without the two of you?
Nothing. Nothing.
You are the children I never had. Thank you. Do you know that I'm even preparing to cook?
Really?
And I have finished the little meat that is remaining. And now this. Thank you. Thank you. Huh? Thank you very much.
I know with this meat now, if you mix it with this your soup, now I'm imagining the sweetness.
You know what I can do now?
That's why we are here.
Well,
Eh,
Nne,
Hmm?
that firewood is not looking broken.
no, it's not broken. No.
Ogoro,
It's Ogoro that brought it.
I could swear
Mm.
that you were the one that brought this firewood without breaking them.
No, all I hear is Ogoro brought firewood. Ogoro brought firewood. Is there anything wrong with that?
Why don't you ever break firewoods when you bring them?
See,
Hmm?
like I said, my job is to bring firewood and eat. So
You are just too lazy.
I agree. I'm lazy, but not everywhere. When it comes to food, Ikemba, you know me. I can finish four wraps of abu at once, no shaking. Just leave him alone.
Ogoro,
Eh?
you go and make the fire.
Huh?
Mm.
But that's a woman's job.
Since you cannot do the job of a man, which is to break the firewood, you can as well do that of a woman.
Even as much as I don't like breaking firewood, I think rather I'll go and do. I'd rather do the fire with Nne. My children.
Let him not talk into making that fire yourself.
No, I won't make the fire. He is going to make the fire.
Oh,
Okay? He will make the fire. Also, Nikki.
No, let's go.
Also, Nikki. Go and cut there. Eh? Oh, yeah. Bring this. Bute.
I'll carry it.
Bute. Are you coming? Now.
My daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, but your face says otherwise.
And I am waiting for my betrothed to come back and eat the food I made for him.
That? Sit down.
Nai,
Yeah.
I heard your voice. Welcome, Nai.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh,
How did your day go?
it was good.
Yeah.
So Ikemba is not back yet.
He's not here, knowing fully well that she's here waiting for you. And he made a good meal for him.
You're going to serve me the food. Let me eat. I'm famished.
Okay, let me go and bring it.
No, not you. Not you. She.
Okay.
Okay, Nine.
So how was your day?
It was good. The meeting we went for lasted for a whole day. We were, we were discussing the dispute between the neighboring community. But we will revisit the matter tomorrow.
I'm sure by tomorrow you people will have a final decision on that.
I hope so. I hope so. Hey.
I don't know what is wrong with Ikemba. Huh? Thank you.
Let me get water.
Okay.
Why is he behaving like that? Why is he doing all this? See a beautiful girl.
Well, whether he likes it or not, he must marry her.
Thank you.
Go to. Sit down.
Come on, sit down.
Do you know why I asked you to serve this food?
No.
You don't know. It's because I want you to know that you are a member of this family. Huh? So I want you to stop bothering yourself. Stop being sad over what Ikemba is doing. By the time both of you are married, you will come to understand him better.
Thank you, Nine.
Wash your hands, let's eat.
I'm full.
You don't want to eat with us, eh? This food is very delicious. Did you say she met his food?
Nnam, your food is ready.
I hope there's enough pepper in it.
Nnam, you like it, right? I made it with the bushmeat I caught.
Yeah, this is the bushmeat, right? Now let me warn you. Enough of this nonsense bushmeat in this house. Machi, I can afford bushmeat if I want to. I can. I started eating bushmeat even before you were born. My problem in this hut is not bushmeat. In fact, you know what? Come and remove this nonsense from my face. Take this nonsense out. From now on, I don't want to eat your food again. Don't you ever dare prepare food for me again. I have a wife in this hut. It's her duty to prepare my food. Now go and look for your own husband and start preparing food for him. Enough of this nonsense food and bushmeat in this hut. What nonsense? Did they tell you I only came here to eat bushmeat?
But Nnam, I brought suitors for you. You chased them away.
Which nonsense suitors? Those wretched boys you call suitors, eh? None of them owns a young man in this community. Now, have you ever asked yourself why I am called Agu? Go and ask your mother how I paid her bride price. The very day I paid her bride price, her father was the happiest person on earth. I went there with so many big tubers of yam and a giant goat that is as big as a human being. Yet you are here talking of bushmeat. Ask other people in this community when my only sister got married. Go and ask them how she was married. The very day her husbands came here, my yam barn was filled because they came with so many tubers of yam and not just one, 2 gigantic goats, and everybody was happy. We were proud of them. So why do you want my own to change? Is my own going to be different? Or am I asking too much?
Nnam, you're sounding as if it's a competition.
What nonsense competition are you talking about? It is not a competition, but all about maintaining family standard. There is a standard we've laid in this family, and it must be maintained. I'm not going to settle for less. Never. It will never change in your own time. It started before you were born. So shall it continue. Did you hear me now?
Well, Nnam, if I do not marry or if I do not end up getting married to one of the rich people you want me to get married to, you will not say that I have not done anything for you. I saw the way you were masticating that food that I made. Like, I saw the way you were devouring the meat. No, you will not say I do not do anything for you. At least I've been catching bushmeat for you. Hey! Hey!
Bushmeat! Let that bushmeat kill you, idiot! Anampama! Did you come to this world to eat only bushmeat? Don't worry. Let my hand touch you. You will know the difference between bushmeat and training a human being. So after all I have spent in training you, All you want me to get from you is bushmeat. Come back to this house. Bushmeat. I will not get what I have spent. Do you know how much I spent marrying your mother? My own turn, what I will eat is bushmeat. Come back to this hut today. Come and remove this nonsense. Let me see you cook in this hut again. In fact, from now, I'm giving you a deadline. If you don't bring a suitable suitor here, then you will know if I'm the owner of this hut or not.
Kimba, I think your wife is waiting for you.
Hey, Obin. You're back. Let me serve your food.
I'm not hungry.
No, we are hungry. Understand? Bring the food, we are hungry. We'll eat.
Obin, how can you say you're not hungry? Eh? You left here since morning without eating anything, and I made something delicious for you. I've been waiting for you to come back so I can serve you. Hey, you can't just walk past me like that.
Go away. I didn't ask you to cook for me. Neither did I ask you to wait. So why are you nagging about it? Like I said, I am not hungry. I just need to go inside and rest.
Ugobe, we are hungry. Don't worry, if he doesn't want to eat, I'll eat on his behalf. Yeah? However the food tastes, I'll tell him. And I said, you are a wife, and I'm sure your food will be sweet. You're a beautiful girl. So I'm going to bring the food and come. I'm here waiting for you already. You come back when you're done, you come. Oh, let me tell you how the food tastes.
Mama.
Hey, Ugobe, our wife. Is it vegetable soup?
I've done this now. Do it.
Nne, come and sit down. You prepared a very nice meal. And your father and I enjoyed the food. For now, let me do this one. Oh, it's just for small baby tomorrow now.
Thank you so much, Nne.
You're welcome, my dear. The food was very sweet. Is you open?
Hey.
Hi.
I want to ask you something. There is something bothering me.
What is that?
I want to ask about father's sister. She has never come to visit us. Neither have we gone to see her. Why is that so?
Erima. I guess she's angry with us. Or let me rephrase that. She's angry at your father, her brother.
Father?
Because she always sends messages across to me.
No, why is she angry at father?
You see, you know your father's mindset. You know how he's fixated on a woman being weighed by how big her dowry is. Erima was in love with somebody, but your father did not see him worthy. And because of that, he forced her to marry someone else. Someone who happened to be impotent. So Erima finally ended up in a childless and a loveless marriage. That is why she's angry with your father.
Oh, now I get it. Now I get why father is always talking about how high and great her dowry was.
It was.
Yet, he doesn't even care. He doesn't care about how she's faring, how she feels, what is going on with her. That is why I want you to be by my side. Please. What if I end up the way she...
Don't say that. You will not end up like her. Because your chi and her own is not the same.
Who did she marry? What's the name of the village?
Ugwoji village. She was married to Izumba. Yes, Izumba. A very great man. Very wealthy. His name resounds around the whole village. His village, this village, and other surrounding villages. He was well known, very wealthy. But so the women walked into his life in marriage, and so they walked out because of his impotent nature. When she discovered it, she came home and told your father. Do you know what your father did?
What, Mama?
He sent her back and warned her not to ever think of coming back home. Because of the goats, the sheep, the yam, the seedlings and everything. That's why his barn is very big. Because of the things he was getting from his in-law. At the end of the day, when the man died, his brothers did what they were supposed to do. They came in and took everything from her. Every single thing. And she decided she was not going to come back. She would rather stay in that hut alone.
She must be feeling lonely.
She was at a time. But when she finally made peace with the fact that she was not going to have children, she decided to create a bond with the children in the village. You know, she started taking care of them. Some of their parents would bring them and leave them with her and go to do their normal daily chores while she takes care of them. And then she created a very strong relationship with most of the children in the village. And from the messages she sent to me, that alone was enough to alleviate her loneliness. But you know how it is now. Somebody else's child will just stay with you for a while.
This is very, very bad.
It is. But as well, she's happy. She's happy.
Ne, we should one day go and visit her.
Okay, that's not a problem. I'll talk to your father about it. Once I get his permission, we'll go and visit. Then you get to know her. No problem, I'll talk to him about it.
Okay. Ne, what should I help you with?
Don't help me with anything. You outdid yourself with that soup you cooked. So just go inside and relax. Let me do this one. It's almost finished now. It's almost finished.
I'll retire to my chamber.
Alright, my dear. Later.
What's the meaning of all this? How could you come back that late last night? Your wife was here waiting for you throughout. And she even made your delicious meal, beautiful meal for you. And what did you do? You came back and refused to eat. What is good about this morning?
Mama, I didn't ask her to wait for me. Neither did I ask her to cook for me. I came back and I needed to rest. I had a very, very long day.
Why are you doing this? Why are you wicked like this? This girl is doing everything to prove to you that she loves you. She's doing everything to please you. What do?
Mama.
You just end up frustrated.
Mama, what is it? I never wanted to marry this girl. She's way older than me. Yes. But you and Papa insisted, and I've done that as a good son. What else can I do to get you off my back?
So you're not shouting at your mother. But you're shouting at your mother. We am correcting you to do the right thing. You're shouting at your mother. Oyama. Hey! Chineke mo.
Ikemba,
Hey!
what is it?
What's up, my papa?
Is this how you treat a woman in your life?
Papa, I did not do anything to Mama. Oh.
Enough!
Thank you.
I had everything from my heart. You said you've decided to marry her as a good son. Good. When are we going to pay her bride price so that we bring your wife home as a good son?
Papa, after the planting season, I'm still busy with farm work.
He came back. Did you hear him? He said after the planting season, he's still busy with farm work.
That's what he's done. At least he has given us a date.
Hi. It's all right. It's all right, come on.
What is it? Stop.
They just told me the good news
What's good news?
that you're coming to pay my dowry after the planting season.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm busy. I'm heading out.
In that case, I have to start making plans. The beats, the new wrapper, the food.
Just do whatever you need to do, okay? I want to head out now.
You're always avoiding me. I'm going with you wherever you're going to.
It's alright. Let me get my gun.
Okay.
An old man brought two goats, he brought two big heavy arms, 9 pots of palm oil. How can it not be good?
Ready, huh? Much. I've been sitting here waiting for you. Where are you coming from and why is your face like that?
No, I went to check on my trap. And you didn't catch any animal.
Machi, come and sit down. I want to have a word with you.
No, I'm coming. Let me drop my gun.
Much.
No.
Do you know Mazindo?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. He will be coming here tomorrow with his people to pay your bride price. Yes. I decided not to inform you because I don't make it same. That was why I didn't tell you all this while. I wanted to wait till the last minute before I will inform you so that you don't do as you used to do. Please, this time around, I don't want any disappointment. Because Machi, if you dare disgrace me again this time around by running out of this hut, I swear by the gods, I will skin you alive. So you must go in, prepare yourself, prepare your mind, and wait for them to come tomorrow. After paying your bride price, you go home with your husband. Am I understood?
No. Is he not too old for me?
He is not too old for you. I put you into consideration in this one. Because of all the things you've been saying and doing all this while, with all the other suitors I've been bringing, I have to consider you this time around. Look at the good news. Unlike Mazibe, I brought last time that has 4 wives and 32 children. Mazendo has only 1 wife with 7 children. So this one is better, isn't it? He is by far better than the other one. And not only that, he is a very wealthy farmer. If you see his yam band, hey! He is capable of taking good care of you. And aside that, he has agreed to bring all the things I told him to bring. So, you are better off this time. And I promise you, you are going to enjoy the marriage. He is wealthy. And let me even tell you, his first wife is already old and weak. That one cannot do anything again. So it's like you are going to take charge. Trust me, my daughter, you are going to enjoy the marriage. Eh? Your father cares for you. I know what is good for you.
That man is older than you. And is it food that I'm going to eat? What about love?
And what nonsense are you talking about love? What do you know about love? Eh? Let me warn you. You see this time, don't you dare. Don't ever. Because if you do, I swear by the grave of my forefathers, I will skin you alive. Don't try me, oh. Let it not be like the other ones you did. They are coming tomorrow. If you know what is good for you, go and prepare your spirit, soul, and body and wait for their arrival tomorrow. They are coming to pay your bride price. The man is not that too old. And he has only one wife with 7 children. What nonsense are you talking? Come on, get out of my sight. When you get there, you will learn how to love him. Will you sit in my heart and know how to love a man? Is it not when you stay with a man, you now learn how to love him? Nonsense. Get out of my sight, idiot. Get out! Huh? If not, I will have visitors tomorrow. I will have given you the slap of your life in this world. Nonsense. Do you know what it takes to get a suitable suitor for somebody's daughter? Look at all the maidens in this kingdom not married. I will be trying my best and looking for a better life for you. You'll be doing nonsense. How many sons do I have in this house? That is how you check it. Then you know how many men that we have in this community. Then compare them with the women available. You know how difficult it is to find a suitor. Idiot. Let tomorrow reach and I look for you. Then you know why I'm called Ago.
This is so tedious and stressful. I don't even know why you bother to hunt. You have everything at your disposal.
If you remember clearly, I didn't ask you to come with me.
I know. But this is the only time I have to spend with you. Hmm? But I'm not going to do it again, no, because it's so stressful. I'll just be patient and wait till you get married because I know you'll be coming back home to me every night.
Go boy. This is the path that leads to your hut. You can go home now.
No, I want to go with you to your hut. Maybe help your mother cook or something.
I'm not going to my hut now.
Then let me follow you. I don't want to go home.
Go boy. Go and cook for your father. He needs that food more. You are his wife and his daughter.
You see? You're so thoughtful. But I've told my father to look for a wife for himself because soon I'll be going to my husband's house. So you don't have to worry about him when we get married.
You can go home now.
Okay, okay. See you tomorrow, my love.
Bye.
Bye.
Adam. The things are fine. Oh my God. Your father told me he has informed you about the suitors coming to pay your dowry tomorrow. Become my daughter. I beg you in the name of the gods. Please don't disgrace your father again. This time around, don't do one of those your disappearing acts. Please. The way your father spoke about killing you if you try any nonsense, I have not seen him that serious before. And I would not want anything to happen to you. There are so many things you should put into consideration now. At least the fact that the man is not like he's that old. He's just a little bit older than your father, and he has only one wife, unlike the other ones that had 4, 5 wives. So please, my daughter, put this one into consideration. Oh,
Well, I've accepted my fate. I am arranging my things.
that is very good, my daughter. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do you need my help with any of your arrangements?
Are you eager to throw me out of your hut?
No, my daughter. No. You know, if given the opportunity, I would not want you to go anywhere. I would want you to stay here with me. If you leave, I will be stuck here with your father. And it's not as if he's the best of companies, you know that. But the truth is that I don't want the feud between you and your father to continue. I need it to end. And if this is what will end it, then so let it be. Oh,
Well, as long as he eats his fat goat and fat yam and good product, it's fine. So what, Diro? It's no problem. I will heed to his need this time around.
it's all right, my daughter. It's not something to be sad about. Hmm? You will just be few houses away from here and I can always come and see you. Oh, but at least now your father will be happy and all this shouting will stop. Let me go and talk to him. Let me give him the news. I know it will make him very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you for ending this feud between you and your father. You know? It's okay. Let's continue with what you're doing. Huh? Let me go and talk to him.
My daughter, you are beautiful, but the world wants strong things. This goat is fatter than you. This yam is taller than your leg. This old man
Machi.
will hold you well.
Adanaya.
Nam.
Come. Please
Welcome.
bring me that my chair. Here.
Okay.
Son is over there. Bring it.
Old man is fat.
Mama.
The girl will follow before.
Go inside and bring me my wine cup.
Okay.
Yes. Hey. Hi. And there's no bushmeat in the house.
Nam, you know that my marriage is coming up, so I have to stay and prepare for it.
That's true. Do you know it is now I begin to understand that you used to say that your bushmeat is the sweetest. I'm beginning to miss it. When you go out, I will miss it too. But no problem. I will manage the one we have. Where is your mother? Ugo dear. Ugomo.
M9.
Come with your seat, Biko Butochegi.
Oh.
Butochegi, oh. Hey, it's time for celebration. Sit down, one. Sit. Yes, take one.
You know I don't drink much. Let me take the small one.
No, that one is for Machi. Take this one.
Machi is drinking too.
Machi, take it. Take. You see, today is for celebration.
Okay.
Yes, I want all of us to celebrate. Man, hey, Achalugo Naya. Hey, I'm so happy. You see, your mother informed me about the wonderful decision you have taken, that you've accepted to marry my Zendo. I am so happy. My heart is full of joy. You have done well, my daughter. And to that effect, we are going to enjoy. Immediately she told me the decision you took, I rushed out immediately to get this palm wine so that all of us will enjoy it. This one is a good thing. Ugom, let me put for you. Manam, let me put for you.
I thank you, Nam. I want to go inside and arrange my things.
Talking about arranging your things, you don't need anything. Oh, I don't blame you. You don't know the man you are about to marry. Mazendu is a very wealthy man. You don't even need anything going there. You don't at all. Anything you need, he will provide you for you. They are double, double. So forget about arranging anything. Everything is there waiting for you. And even if you forget anything and wish to come back to your father's house, nobody is pursuing you. Is she not welcome?
No, I'm always welcome to your house.
You are free to come back anytime and take anything you want.
Thank you so much. I've heard you. But there's some things I'm fond of that I want to take with me. Oh,
That one is true. Odemma. Mgwan, before you continue to pack, go inside and get your chair. I would want to give you some fatherly advice. Even your mother here will bear with me that your duty as a daughter will be different from your duty as a mother and a wife. We need to tell you how to marry your husband and make him happy, okay? Go and get your seat.
We need to give you some counsel on marriage.
Train you very well to know how to treat your husband well. The wine is sweet.
It is.
And so why are you frowning your face?
I'm not frowning. I'm just saying, it's very
Don't spoil this thing for me. With this kind of face you're wearing.
I'm not.
With this kind of face you're wearing. Don't let this girl see it now and change her mind.
I'm smiling.
Better continue smiling until she leaves here tomorrow.
No problem.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
And let me tell you, as soon as she comes out, don't tell her anything that will scare her away from marriage. I know you. Tell her all the good things I have done for you that will make a woman want to marry. Even if I've done anything bad, don't ever mention it so that she will not be scared. Did you hear what I said? Tell her only sweet things, all the good things I've done for you. What did I say?
Tell her all the good things you've done for me. But the good ones are very small.
Did I hear you say that makes sense with your mouth? So, that's what you tell her?
No, I will not tell her that. I will tell her only the good things.
Just try and do anything that will spoil this marriage. You see if both of us will still live in this house.
You are beautiful, but the world wants strong things.
Hello. Oguru, can you give me more of that palm kernel? Hey, Nna. Oh, Ezubonwa. You are here. You are welcome. See, you are my favorite son. Don't tell anybody I said that. Don't.
No, I had it already. They don't need to tell him.
What did you hear?
I've already heard it.
Please come and sit down.
Is there a time that I will come here and won't meet you eating?
I brought firewood for them. It's not that I just came to eat, so I don't do like that.
I brought something for you.
You'll always bring something. Oh, you can bam. Thank you. You have never ever let me lack.
It's true.
Before this one will finish, you have brought another one. Before another one finish, you bring another one.
So thoughtful of you, Ikemba. Because they just gave me the last one that was in the pot. I know me now.
They know me.
I dismantled it. Yeah?
Ogoro,
Yeah?
you were supposed to go hunting with me today.
Oh.
You're right, though. Tomba, you're right. But you know, I decided to come and fetch firewood for Nne. That's why I didn't make it.
Firewood? Have you broken them?
No, you know this thing, this division of labor.
Who is supposed to break
That's all. No, my own is to bring it.
Who is supposed to break it?
I don't know. Nobody can break it.
Ogoro.
One is bring firewood and eat
Ogoro.
food.
Go and break the firewood.
Ikemba. Leave me.
Ogoro. Ogoro. Go and break the firewood.
Ikemba, I don't want your problem.
Ogoro.
What is it now?
Ogoro.
The two of you, what is it?
Ogoro.
Hey, it's okay now. Come. You people should come. Where could this girl have gone to now, eh? Where could she have gone to? Eh?
Go there.
Eh?
Wait here. Stop running around and come and talk to me. What did you just say?
I can't find the Machio, and then all her things are gone from the hut.
You can't find the Machi, and her things are not in this hut. Both of you must be out of your senses to think that that girl will disgrace me again this time and go scot-free. I will not spare both of you. Now start talking. Which of her friends has she gone to stay with? Which of them?
I can't think of anyone right now. I think the best thing is, let me just go and check in all her friends' houses.
If I catch that girl, I am going to skin her alive. Now lead the way. Start taking me to all her friends' house. I am going with you. If I catch her, if I catch this girl, if I catch her.
Where are you going this early morning?
Papa, where are you coming back from this early morning?
I went to offer sacrifices to the gods. And why are you going out this morning?
I'm going to Ikemba's house.
He came back. This early morning, is it not too early?
Papa, it's not too early to go to my husband's house.
You're betrothed, which you are not even sure.
Papa, I don't have time for this, so where I'm going to is important. Please.
Look at this girl. What do you mean? You are going there this early morning. I just hope that my breakfast is ready.
Papa, where I'm going to is more important. I'll make food when I come
Did
back.
you hear yourself? Ugo, come here. I said, come back. Look at this girl. Huh? Children of nowadays. Because of a man you are not sure of. And tomorrow you hear, he broke my heart. She broke my heart. Look at. Don't worry.
I think I leave now. Okay, thank you very much.
We'll come later today to bring firewood for you.
Yes. May the gods continue to bless you for me.
Don't forget to cook. Oh.
Hey,
Very important.
So
as you're bringing firewood, we'll be eating. Very important.
Okay, I know now. May the gods continue to bless you people for me. Eh? Oh. Mm.
Onye bi ebe a, bye. Nne,
Onye?
ụtụtụ ọma nne.
Ụtụtụ ọma nwa. Ụtụtụ ọma.
Nne, my name is Machi. I am looking for Nne Erima.
I am Nerima.
You are?
Yes, I am.
Nne, do you know Agu? He's my father.
Agu is your father?
Yes.
My brother?
Yes.
Oh, you look exactly like your mother. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, blood is really thicker than water. Thicker than water. I saw you last when you were just a toddler. Oh my goodness, you're welcome. Oh, you must have walked a very long way. Huh?
Not really. I enjoyed it because I was coming to see.
Oh my goodness, thank you, my dear. May the gods continue to bless you.
Amen.
You're welcome. Amen. Let's go inside so that you rest your legs. Huh? Hey, no. Hey, Nemo. Thank you. You're here.
Yes. I came. I didn't see anybody.
You didn't meet Ikemba in the house?
No, I didn't meet him.
I know my husband left before I went to the market. He went to the farm. So I rushed to the market to pick 1 or 2 things to make him food, to send to the farm for him. So sorry you didn't meet anybody. Why is your face like this? You're not happy.
Mama, it's Ikemba.
What did he do this time?
He finally agreed that I go out with him yesterday.
Okay.
After setting his trap, he said he wanted to go somewhere else, but he didn't want me to go with him, so he sent me home. So later in the evening, my friend told me that she saw him coming back with a very big bushmeat. And I know that Ikemba doesn't come back home with any bushmeat, and he doesn't give me any.
Okay.
So I had to trail him.
Mm-hmm.
I trailed him to Nerima's house. Mama, that's where he spends all his time and gives her his praise. Mama, he doesn't give me any.
You know, I thought you were about to tell me that you caught him with another maiden. That would have been a big problem. But now let me tell you. Ikemba and his age mates grew with Erima. Erima is like a second mother to them. So whenever you don't see them at home, they are with her. They play around her a lot. It's not something you should bother yourself for. Okay? You don't bother yourself about it at all.
Mama, is that why he would prefer to spend time with her than me? It's not fair. Mama, it's not even about the bushmeat. You needed to see how happy he was. He was so playful. He has never smiled at me before.
I understand. See, we have enough bushmeat in this house because my husband's slaves are hunters. So don't worry. Ikemba will come back and meet us. Come on, smile for me.
Mama, what he's doing is not fair.
But there is no maiden. Erima is not a maiden. Okay? Okay, let's go and cook. By the time we are done, he will be back. And I will talk to him, okay?
Okay,
So that you
Mama.
spend more time with you and not with Erima. Smile for me. Smile for me. There's no other maiden. It's Erima, not a maiden. Let's go inside so we can pick other things and go to the kitchen like this.
Ago, you have not changed. You have not changed. So after doing this to me, to ruin my life, he's just doing the same to his daughter.
I'm sorry about your case. My Nne told me every single thing that happened.
It's okay. It's all in the past now. It's in the past.
Why didn't you come home? Nne and I would have welcomed you. Me personally, would have wanted you there to be by my side.
I couldn't have. I definitely couldn't have. Because I cannot just want to see your father face to face after all he did to me. He really treated me badly. But not to worry, we still relate as relations. He brings me food. I also send messages across to him. That is as far as I want it to be. It's okay.
I understand.
Yeah. See, we'll have to send messages across to them. Yes. Let's tell them that you are here with me so that they won't get worried looking for you.
Bah, no. Nne, please. I suggest we just keep them in the dark, please. For my sake.
No. What, for your sake? Nothing is going to happen to you. Your father cannot come here. No, he cannot. He cannot come here. He cannot. So, but after now, I'm going to see an oil merchant that always goes to your village. So, to give him message across to your father, especially because of your mother, because she will be heartbroken looking for you. Eh?
That's true.
My child, please. Just go and rest. I'm coming. Let me go and see the man myself.
I should go with you then.
No. Just rest. I'm coming right away.
Ngwan.
No, inside. No.
Hey. Hi.
We are Nne's sons. Hey.
Nne do not have a son. Who are you?
We are Nne's sons. As a matter of fact, I'm Nne's prominent son in this whole village. Everybody knows me now. Eh?
Nne do not have a son. Una will know him.
No. We are not
You are
thieves. So.
thieves.
We are not thieves. You can say something now.
Sorry. We are actually Nne's son. We come here usually to help her, spend time with her. We just came to bring firewood. Who are you?
Machi, keep it down. Keep it down. My children, you are back. Hey, you got a good one. What is it? Omo, you are welcome. You are welcome, my dear. Oh, you brought all this. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Keep this down. Keep it. Sorry. You're welcome. Ogro. Ikemba. You're welcome. This is my daughter. Call her my daughter because she's my brother's daughter.
Okay.
I'm Ikemba.
Yes.
And I'm Ogro, the head of this village, the youth head. She's beautiful.
It's alright. Anyway, we'll be on our way.
Okay.
We'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll bring bushmeat for you. My trap did not catch anything today.
Okay.
Our trap did not catch anything. No, we are the best hunters in this village.
I know.
Yes.
I know. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You hunt?
Yes, I hunt. I mean, he hunts.
I love hunting.
Really?
Yes.
I could take you when I'm going next time.
Really?
Yeah, tomorrow.
So we'll be here. We'll be here tomorrow to take you.
I will be here.
That's
tomorrow.
perfect.
You hunt?
No.
No. Do you hunt?
No, it's just a hobby.
In case you need a friend.
Bye. You do hunting. That is why your father has been very angry with you. Maybe that is why.
It's just a hobby. Now come, let me assist you to cook.
Bring that one. Hey, hunting. Mbakwa.
Nerima! Who is here? Nerima!
Who are you? And why do you want to scream down this hut?
I want to see Nerima.
You can talk to me, she's not here.
Nerima!
I said you can talk to me.
Child, you are welcome. Tutuama.
Nne, I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
If the love of your life, your betrothed, is a good hunter, but never brings back his praise to you, but gives it to his want-to-be mother, will you be happy? Kamchukwa Gozo, if he keeps ignoring you, but showers all his attention towards her,
a lot of young men bring their praise to me. A lot of them. And I don't know which one you are talking about. Please, who are you talking about?
Is anyone as good as my Ikemba?
Oh, Ikemba. Okay. You see, I am like a mother to him. So I will talk to him about it.
That's the problem, Unni. That is where the problem lies. You are not his mother. So why would he shower all his attentions towards you and not me, his wife to be? I came here to beg you. Please, consider me as your fellow woman. Advise him to do the right thing, which is give me all his attention. Biko.
It's enough. It's enough, please. You've made your complaint, right? You can now leave.
Well, I'm glad you've received my complaint. I will leave.
Now, who is this mad maiden? And who is her betrothed?
Oh, Oh, well, it's the one that brought firewood this morning.
This morning? But Nne, there were 2 men that brought firewood for you today. The hunter.
Yes, the hunter. He came back.
Nne, don't worry, I will handle it.
Oh, let me handle it. He's my son. I know how to talk to him. Let me handle it. Huh?
Nne, do not worry. I'm going to let them know that you're no longer alone, okay? I'm here with you, okay? And I will take care of you. Please don't worry, I will handle it.
And I thank the gods for you. But allow me to handle it. Huh? Let me handle it. Hey, gods of our land, where is my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Aririan.
Nani, I hope you're happy now, okay? I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. They argued at Ross and the forest stays still. Now you've chased my daughter away in your quest for wealth. I hope you're happy.
It's not that you are my wife. What I would have done to you, any ear that hears it will tingle. Just thank your gods that you are my wife. So you are not tired of this your crocodile tears and this your pretense, right? You're not tired of pretending.
How?
I just got a message now that your daughter is with Erima, my sister. That your daughter has gone as far as Erima's village. And you're here crying and pretending as if you don't know.
How did she get there?
I should be asking you that. How did she get to know about Erima and her village, if not from you? How?
It's not like that. She simply asked me where Derima was married to and who her husband is, which I told her. How was I supposed to know she wanted to run away to that place? We were even planning on going to visit Derima if we have time.
Just tell her. Let her remain there. Let her remain there. Let me not see her with these my 2 eyes. Because if I do, I swear by the gods I'll skin her alive. If I see that girl or if she ever sets her foot into this court.
Thank the gods. May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised.
Beautiful maiden. Ututoma.
You came by, right?
Yes.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Excuse me, I don't understand. We agreed to go hunting today.
Well, not after your wife came here and displayed her madness. Let me tell you, go and talk to her. Tell her that my Nne, my sweet Nne, is no longer lonely, okay? I'm here and I will take care of her.
Slow down. What wife?
What wife?
Yes.
Your wife or your betrothed, whoever she is, please. I will plead, please, Biko, Nnayoge. Anytime you go to the bush and you catch bushmeat, give it to her. Stop bringing it to Nne. Biko, for peace to reign. I will advise you for free. Take care of her. Leave Nne alone. Leave her for me. I will take good care of my Nne, okay?
You are going
Please,
too fast.
I'm telling you.
You are going too fast.
I'm going too fast.
Hey, what is happening here? Machi.
Ma?
Okay. Just go in there, bring me the pot, and we'll start cooking. You're welcome, my dear. Come. Come. Come.
You need to kill me. She came here to insult you.
She can.
I'm not married to her. But I considered it. But that was because of my parents. And you know I will not go ahead to marry a woman that will insult you.
My son, He came back. When you were bringing all these bushmeat to me, I said thank you. But I also asked you if you also do give to your mother. And your answer was that your mother has enough. I didn't know you have a wife. So please, do give her some. You hear? Give her some. Go
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
my mother has enough. And you're like a second mother to me.
I know.
And I am not married. She's not my betrothed.
But when she came, she said she was your betrothed. So, but whatever it is, keep giving her to. If I'm here, I will be angry too. Huh? And then my daughter is very angry now. I don't think she will go for the hunting. Maybe you come another time. Hmm? Hmm? Just take it easy. Hmm?
I'll be back.
Okay.
Take care.
Mm-hmm. Machi. Machi,
I knew there was no point going to your father's house. That I'll meet you here.
Ogini came back. Why are you this angry, Ogini?
Ugoboy, why are you going about telling people that I am your husband?
Or is she not your wife?
Amanom, is that why you're angry?
I am not married to you yet. And what did you tell Nerima?
I told her the truth. Why would you prefer to spend time with her than me? And you give her all your praise. You don't even give me anyone. I just told her to help me beg you to do the right thing. I didn't do anything wrong.
You know what? I am calling off this marriage. And I am not paying any dowry. And listen to me. I don't want to ever see you anywhere close to Nerima's hut. Am I clear?
Why would you say something like that?
Allow him.
Mama.
Allow him. You talk to him when he's calm. Right now, he's very angry. But I thought I told you never to go to Irima's house. She's like a second mother to him.
Mama, that's the problem. She's not his mother. Why would he prefer her over me? He's always going there to spend time with her and never with me.
They grew around her. They grew
Mama,
around her. I told you that.
I just went there to beg her to help me advise him to do the right thing. I didn't do anything wrong.
It's okay. You have to calm down. Allow him to calm down. Okay? Calm down. Calm down. We'll talk to him when he's calm. Okay?
My son, you see, when a woman is in love with you, she can go to any length to fulfill her love. I am not saying that what she did is right.
But all she was trying to do is to protect her mind. Please forgive her. When you're calm, find this place in your heart to forgive her.
No, I need to be left alone.
Okay, but when you're calm, think about what I just said. I'm so sorry for what she did. I know.
Very, very tough. Bam. Now, where is this woman? Uju! Uju, where is the food now? We are going late.
Nah, Tutoma.
You're not looking all right. What's the problem? By now, you ought to have been up and out. And you are still here. Is everything all right?
All is well, man. I'm already on my way.
Okay. Be good, eh?
Nanyunduka. I was going to come to your hut later today, but since you are here, I will no longer be coming for the dowry payments.
What happened?
Ikemba, why this sudden decision? You didn't discuss this with me.
I already discussed with him, and I assumed she would have passed on the message to you.
Pastor, which message?
That
Nine.
he is no longer going to pay the dowry.
Ah, that's not what we discussed. No. We didn't discuss that. All we discussed is that you go, but we're going to Erima's house to apologize to her. And as we speak, I'm sure she's in that place apologizing. And what else did we discuss?
Nayanduka, I apologize for any inconvenience this might have caused you. I'll be on my way.
My friend, please. Take it easy. We're going to sort this thing out, okay? We're going to sort it out. Go and bring the food now.
Okay, now.
I'm back.
Ugegbe,
Andy.
you are still fetching water? But I told you I have enough.
Me, I just wanted to make sure all the pots are filled up. This is the last one.
Okay. Thank you very much, my child. Thank you. Thank you.
Nee, please, I'm really sorry. Can you help me beg Ikemba to forgive me?
Come. It's okay. You are like a daughter to me. I am not angry at you at all. I am not. But I will talk to him. I'll really talk to him. You can believe me on that.
Thank you, Nee. Thank you for forgiving me.
Of course. Why won't I?
Nee, I'll leave now.
Okay. When you get home, just tell me well to your father.
Just see again.
No.
Oh, my son. How are you today?
Where is Machi?
Machi went hunting.
I came to apologize about what happened. The lady in question is not my wife. And you know I cannot get married or plan to without bringing the woman to you first.
It's okay. I have forgiven her. She just left the house now. She just left the house.
That's good.
She said I should forgive her, but I don't have anything I'm carrying in my mind. Forgiving her.
That's good. What of Machi? Has she gone back to her village?
Machi has come here to stay. She's not going anytime soon. She's come here to stay.
So where did she go to?
She went hunting.
Alone?
Oh yes, alone. But I directed her where to go to. Places that are less dangerous. Like the Izumba forest. That is where she went.
Izumba forest?
Izumba forest. Ikemba. Hey, God. Oh, all these children. Immediately he heard Izumba forest. He started running. This young man. Away.
Oh my goodness. I could have shot you now.
You already did. Here.
What are you doing here?
I went to your hut to apologize to me.
Why would you do that? You were not the one that said those embarrassing words to Nne.
Well, the person who did it already did. She apologized this morning.
Oh, really? Okay then. Stay away from Nne. I am here now, and I can handle her. For your wife's sake, for peace to reign.
She's not my wife.
The person that I saw in Nne's hut that day was quite sure of who she was.
And I'm quite confident about who she isn't. And I also believe that whenever I see a woman who is supposed to be my wife, I'll know.
All I know is that you are trouble, and I would like to avoid that.
Why do I feel like you're also trouble? Only the type I'll embrace with my both hands.
Well, I'm not the one who has an assumed wife, or should I say, betrothed, that goes about looking for trouble. I'm just a simple girl staying in her space.
And a woman who is brave enough to hunt in this bush alone.
Well, I have been here since morning, and my eyes cannot even locate any prey. Is that all your village have?
No. You see, Nne was scared for you, and that was why she directed you to this place. There are no wild animals here.
You're serious?
Of course. But I can show you where you can have some fun.
Okay then.
Okay.
I can't believe Nne did this to me. I'll prove her wrong.
Follow my lead. This way.
An old man brought two goats, he brought two big heavy arms, 9 pots of palm oil. How can it not be good? The old man knows money.
Mama, Papa, Ndio.
Will you come back here, my friend?
Papa, I just want to go in and have some rest.
So you want to destroy the relationship I have built with my friend? A relationship I have built for a very long time now. Eh? Why must you embarrass me like this?
Papa, enough. Papa, enough, please. I agreed to marry Ugobe because you persuaded me to. But I've realized that I don't want her. I never loved her. You pushed her to me. Papa, the honorable thing to do was to let her father know. And if you love this girl so much, you can as well go and marry her.
Ikemba!
Mama, I just want to go in and have some rest. I've had a long day.
Ikemba! Ikemba!
Can you see your son? Can you see him?
Please calm down. I'll have a word with her. With him.
You better do.
I'll talk to him. These children of
Just imagine.
and it's for his own good, though.
I told you to stop crying. Mama. Stop crying. I'll talk to him. And I will still talk to him too when he comes out.
Mama, how can he say that to me? How can he do this?
Because he's angry. Just calm down. I'm his mother. I'll talk to him.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
Mama, Ikemba has two mothers. If he will not listen to you, he will listen to Nerima. I will go and tell her what happened so she can help me plead with him.
Come back here. I'm his mother. Come back here. Hey. What's there? You have to come back and listen to me.
Come and see. Come and see. Hey, it's still my first inch. See how big it is.
It's big already. Big. This one is good. You caught this? One?
Yes.
How? Nah. Was it you that shot at it?
I did this myself.
Oh, you tried, my daughter. You tried.
Thank you, Nne.
Thank you very much, Nna. Just come in. Let me prepare something fast. Sharp, 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 sharp. For you to eat now.
I have to rush home. I have work at the barn.
My dear, you are a very hard-working man. Very hard-working. Thank you. Thank you. Dalunu?
Nne, I would see him off.
Okay. Do just that,
Okay.
Oh, this thing is big, really big.
I thought you were boasting that you could hunt yourself.
Well, I was good with my gun. It's just because of I'm not really familiar with the bush. And you know it's your village, so you know your way around.
Well, how about I do some traditional rites and this village could be yours too.
I do not know of such rights.
I'm sure you know the exact rights I'm talking about.
Wait, let me go and drop my gun. I'm coming, okay?
What are you doing behind there? Are you crazy? What's the problem?
I was actually trying to know what you're peeping at.
I'm not spying at them. I only wanted to know what that maiden is doing with my man.
Your man? Do you even have sense? Your man, after what he just saw. Let me ask you, has he ever looked into your eyes or hold your hands the way he's holding it with love? Zanom. Your man.
Oh, I see what is happening here. So that witch,
if you ever call a witch, the gods will strike your tongue. Witch? Try it.
You know what? I don't have time for this your nonsense.
I
know what to do.
You don't have your time. Always worrying as if you're chasing an animal that is not chasing you.
Ikemba!
What is wrong with you?
What was that nonsense that I just saw? What are you doing with that maiden?
What did you see?
At Nerima's house, I saw you standing with that maiden. The way I've always wanted you to stand with me. I saw how you looked at her, the way I've always prayed for you to look at me. You've never smiled at me. Why is that?
Are you done talking? So you saw that and you were able to tell the difference. And you are here asking me these questions. Are you not supposed to move on?
Are you insinuating that I'm dumb? That I'm not a wise woman?
Is that new? You saw something as passionate as that. And you are yet to discover what is really going on. If you are wise, you won't be asking me these questions.
But you told your parents that you will come pay my dowry after the planting season.
Are you listening to yourself? Are you really listening to yourself? This arrangement was made probably when I was not even born.
It doesn't matter. I've watched you grow into the man that I love. Age is just a number.
You don't sound ashamed. I am not interested in this. I am not paying any dowry. And I have told your father. Didn't he tell you? Have I not told you?
Kimber, please. I swear no other woman will love you the way I do. Kimber, I've only seen you as my soulmate. Please don't do this to me. The love I have for you is enough for the both of us, please.
Ugo, wait, look. I am not interested.
Please, Kimber, please don't do this to me.
Listen to me. I have tried accepting the hope of you finding a man. A real man that will love you. But I think I guessed wrongly.
Ikemba, Biko, please. Ikemba, please. Ikemba! Ikemba, do not walk out on me! I promise I'm going to fight you. And anyone that tries to stand between us, no woman can have you if I cannot have you.
Go back. What are you doing here this early morning?
I'm sure you are not blind.
Yes, I'm not blind, but I think the blindness will be better than the kind of wisdom you have. Because I just crossed your father's compound right now and it looked like a dirty dump.
Well, this is my future home.
Ewa.
My husband's home.
Ewa, Abia. Where is Ikemba? Yeah?
Ugo, why are you here so early?
Ikemba, I actually came for the hunting training. He said I should come so you teach me how to hunt. So,
Ugo,
eh?
you didn't show up these past days, so I've changed my mind.
How can you say that? I'm your friend though.
Obin, I made something delicious for you to apologize for the way I spoke to you yesterday. Obin, it was out of anger. I'm sorry. Please.
Ugo, we cannot be going together.
Why now?
Because I now have a new hunting partner.
Ikemba, you now have a new hunting partner. No, now. Everybody knows I'm your only friend in this village. I should be the only partner you have.
Ugo.
Eh?
Obin, talk to me now.
Ikemba, where are you going to? Where are you going to?
What did you do?
You are here begging a man that doesn't even want to talk to you.
Respect yourself. I don't have time for this your rubbish.
I thought they used to have womanizer. Your own is womanizer. You are chasing after a man. You mentioned food. Where is the food now?
Get out.
Man or rapper? Me that I've had food. I'm not leaving this house. I must eat food. Anywhere I go and hear food, that food must come out. Mamuju. Mami Kemba. Mommy is your son, Ogro. I'm here. I'm hungry.
Okay, but what is it again? Okay, let me guess. He came back. What has he done again?
He came by seeing that maiden, the maiden that lives in the Nerima's hut.
But Ugobo, I have told you. And I have also told you that you are the one we want in this family. Any other person is wasting her time. So calm down and stop crying.
Ne, you need to see the way he is with her.
The way he held her, he has never held me like that. He has never smiled at me the way he was smiling at her.
Now I understand what is going on. But calm down. I am your mother-in-law. I am going to handle it in my own way. Do you hear me? Stop crying.
I love Ikeba so much. I will make a good wife. Why can't you see that?
I know you will make a wonderful wife. That's why I say you should calm down, okay? Don't worry. I'm going to teach you the method we used those days when we want to get married to someone and the person keeps saying no. I will handle it. Don't worry, I'm your mother-in-law here. I'll teach you that pattern and it will work. Watch me. It's okay, stop. I'll handle it. I will handle it.
That we could just spend some time together besides, how about
Ikemba, so you diss me, a homie, your bosom friend, because of a woman. love, one thing. Okay. Oguru.
what are you doing here?
Is this not a bush part? Is this not a village part? Or have both of you turned here to your love garden? See, I'm not happy with you. You abandoned your very good friend because of love, because of a woman. It is well.
Good day, Ogoro.
And me, I don't know how good today is, but from what I'm seeing behind the Kemba, I think the day might be good. I don't know, I'm not sure.
Do you want to have a look?
No, me take a look. I trust my friend Ikemba. Ikemba, my friend, is a sharpshooter. He doesn't go in empty and come back empty. Something must be achieved. So I think I'm okay.
Well, we are going to go and make food with the bushmeat.
Going to make food? Food? With bushmeat?
Yes.
That means the destination of this food is my destination. At the mention of the food, everything in my body stands up. So I go with you. You know I support this, your love. So anywhere you go, I go.
You've not told me what you're doing.
I'm behind you. Don't worry. This is the bush. I follow the bush meat.
You've not told me what you're doing there. Okay.
That bush meat is my love language. This food is very sweet. I swear by the God. If not that Ikemba has taken the match, I would have come. So I didn't know Nne was not away. Sorry. What I mean is that this food is very, very sweet, Mama. Anybody that is going to marry Machi, he's a very lucky man.
Thank
you. I hope you are fine.
I enjoyed it.
Nne, so you set my man up with this maiden that lives in your heart, and you watch me come here to wash plate and fetch water for you, eh?
It's okay, my dear. I didn't force you to do that. You did them on your own.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Why did you stop me, eh? You were watching me, you witch! Shut up!
Are you stupid?
It's okay.
Didn't I warn you? The last time you came here, I warned you that if you ever come to this hut to insult my Nne again, I was going to deal with you.
So, you didn't just steal my man. You're also fighting me, eh?
Please go away.
Go and speak to your man, okay? Go and talk to him. Do not come here again. Do not come here to insult my Nne.
I promise you will never have him.
Hey!
Hold her.
No, because
leave!
Uguru!
Uguru!
You're lucky.
Uguru!
You're lucky I'm Uguru. You're lucky I'm not using today.
Don't fight.
It's okay.
Ogologo oge gara aga, nwoke tụrụ enyi ya n'ụzọ ọjọọ. Ihe ụmụ nwoke ya
didn't think you were going to come. I was about coming to your hut. Please, Machi, let me explain. Ugo already told me what happened after I left him in his place.
Listen,
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to explain things to you.
what I understand from everything is that you once wanted her.
Because of my parents. And I've toned it down. Look, I never loved her. And this is just a mere arrangement between our fathers. They probably made this arrangement before I was even born, just to seal up their friendship. She's old enough to be my oldest sister. Have you taken a good look at her? Look, Machi, I am not paying any dowry. She's just being persistent.
So, are you not changing your mind? Is it because of me?
Machi, I gave up on searching for the woman of my heartbeat. And then I settled for my father's choice. But setting my eyes on you changed everything. Every single thing. And my chi is on my side. And I know you are the one destined to be for me. Machi, I love you. You're my wife.
I love you too. But I don't think I can do this. I don't want to be in the middle of problem. I saw her eyes. I saw the rage in her eyes when she made those threats.
Machi, we'll pull through this together. We are going to pull through this together. But I just need you to be with me on this. Pico, I beg of you.
My heart beats for you. I don't think I can do this. I just need to understand what I feel. If it's real, I don't know if my heart is playing with my reasoning. I don't think I can do this.
Listen to me, Machi. I promise to handle this for us. All I ask is that you be with me.
I can't. I love you so much, but I can't. You have to fix this for yourself. Please, I have to go.
Let's meet here on AK.
Come. You now sneak into our hut?
Ne, you were sleeping, so I do not wish to disturb you.
Okay, come. Come. I am your mother. Though not biological, but I am your mother all the same. I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Are you in love with him?
No, it's complicated.
I take it that you love him.
But his people already have someone they want him to get married to, and they are not budging.
You see, at times when I sit alone thinking about things I should have done that I did not do, listening to the birds sing, I cannot but blame myself. Because I should have fought. I should have fought for the man I loved, but I couldn't even put up a fight. I couldn't put up a fight. My junior brother, for that matter, insisted I marry somebody I did not love. And I couldn't do anything but to marry him. I married him. Here I am today. I don't know what to do with my life. Here I am, always thinking, well, what if, all through my life. I still continue to say, what if?
No, I'm so sorry. This is very bad. I'm so sorry.
You love him. And you're sure he loves you. Then stand by him. Put up a fight. Fight. Fight for the man who loves you. Fight for him. Fight for his love. Because I know he loves you too. Don't wait. Don't wait to be turned around to do what you don't want to do. Go ahead and fight for your love. I don't know if you understand me.
Yes, Nne. Thank you so much. I really needed this. Thank you so much, Nne.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, my baby.
Thank you.
It's okay. Fight for your love. Even if you don't win, but you have put up a fight, you'll be happy that you at least fought.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay, my baby. It's okay.
This past 3 market days that you've been with me has been the best part of my life.
But I'm worried about your parents. They are insisting and might not want me for you.
As long as they keep on insisting, I'll be here with you. I'm not budging. You know, times like this, I just wish the sun could stop and it never gets dark, so that you never leave my arms.
Ikemba, my heart beats for you entirely. It is you I want. I will stand by you, no matter what. I'll be here with you, always here, by your side.
Oh, greetings.
Ikemba,
Oh.
come and sit down. What you're doing to your mother is not fair. I barely set my eyes on you these days.
Mama, I'm fine.
Come and sit down. I want to talk to you.
Mama, if this is about to go away, I am not interested.
No, it's not about Ugegbe at all. I want to talk to my son and not to Ugegbe. Just come and sit down and hear your mother out. It's not about Ugegbe. Oh? Sit down. Ikemba. There's been a lot of fight in this house. You are my son and not Ugegbe. I need to talk to you. I want to give you a fair chance, fair hearing. I want to get to know this girl you are talking about and give her a chance to prove herself too.
Mama?
Yes.
You will do that?
Of course I will do it. If you love her, I don't have a problem with that.
Mama?
That's my son.
Mama, I assure you will love her.
Yes, because you love her, I know maybe I will also love her. It's okay.
Mama, I'll bring her tomorrow.
Tomorrow we have women meeting in the town hall. When I'm chance, I'll tell you and you bring her, okay?
Okay, Mama.
I want to get to know this girl, give her a fair chance, and give her a way to come and prove herself to us too.
Thank you, Mama.
If she's good, why? Why won't I accept her? And you've not eaten food in this house for a very long time. Because of all this fight. Today I made up my mind to prepare your favorite. Oha soup with akpu. And I pounded the akpu very well.
Mama, with what you just told me now, I'll eat it.
You eat the
Yeah,
akpu?
I'll eat.
I got it now. Look what happened. Let's go. That's my son. Ikemba. Ikemba. Come and help me cut firewood. I want to cook. Come and help me go and cut that firewood. I want to go and cook. Ikemba. What is Ugobo doing in your heart this early morning?
No, it's not what you think.
What am I not thinking?
I came to see him last night to plead with him and he laid with me.
You what?
No, trust me. Nothing happened. I don't know how she ended up in my heart.
You don't know how. I don't understand. For a few days now, you've not been talking to me and your father in this house. And a few days ago, you and I had a discussion. I told you to bring that girl that you say you love. Let me get to know her and give her a chance to prove herself. And all of a sudden, bam, you slept with this one. Meaning,
I didn't touch her.
No. We have to continue with you, Gebe. And what it means is that you never really loved that girl you talked about.
Kimba, stop lying. Why are you lying? Why are you lying to Nate?
I promise you, I don't know how she ended up in my heart.
Hey, Kimba, why are you lying? He's lying. He's lying.
So you're talking to a kid now. I don't know what I'm seeing.
I didn't touch her.
You didn't touch her. You didn't touch her. And she's coming out from your heart this early morning. And you didn't touch her. Okay, we'll continue with you, Gebe, then. No need talking about that girl we discussed the other day. That discussion is gone. Let's continue with the one we know. Because you've already slept with her. What do you want me to say again? What is in there? You've slept with her, so we'll continue with her.
Stop lying.
Are you shut up? Is that how they train you? To come to a man's house and open your leg just like that and sleep with him? Without even your bread being paid?
No, it's not like that. He said that's the only way he will forgive me. And besides, we'll soon get married.
Because he said that that's the only condition to marry, you now opened your leg. Meheri Okpa. On what reason? Eh? Are you okay? Now leave my son's house. Come here, come and explain to me. Go fast. Explain, what do you mean by that? How could you have done that with my son? Come here. Don't understand you today. Yeah?
been shooting off targets, scaring all the animals away instead of killing them. Huh? By this time, we've not been able to catch even one bush meat. And I also noticed you've been absent-minded. What is going on? Are you fighting with him much?
Nothing. Nothing is wrong.
Ikemba, something is wrong. Because Machi has been following me to your hut for the past 2 market weeks. And you keep making me lie to her that you're not around while you are behind your hut hiding. Eh? Making me go out to Erima to give her meat without you. What's going on?
I love her. But I cannot stand after what I've done.
What you've done? What have you done? Eh?
You can't tell anyone.
I won't tell anyone. I swear by the gods. You need to trust me. Ikemba, so you've been enjoying from 2 pots of soup. You eat ofe egusi, you eat ogbono.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
How can you be making jokes about something as serious as this now?
I'm sorry, but now I understand. Betrayal feelings. Chai.
I feel so bad for betraying her.
I understand, but I still think you should talk to her. Tell her.
I'm just confused. I don't know what to tell her.
I can imagine. What of Ugobe?
That one, she no longer stays in her hut. Ever since this incident occurred, she's always all over my hut. As if it's her birthright.
Kemba, I still think you should talk to Machi about it. So that all these things will stop. Talk to her, face her. I know it's hard, but you need to face her. Meanwhile, we need to go to this side of the bush. We must go home with something today. Even if it's one small bush meat, we have to go home with something. We can't come out empty-handed and go empty-handed. Eh? Let's try that side.
You think so?
I know so. We'll catch something. Let's go. You know you're a bad shooter. I'm behind you. I should go front. All right. You can buy the sharpshooter. Hey.
As Ikemba had enough of me that he dumped me. I have been fooled. Ever since the last time we talked, he avoids me like a plug. I can't take this. I will have to go to his hut. I will go to his hut and ask him, what have I done to him? What have I done to deserve this? Not now that... Not just now that I've conceived. God of our land! God of our land, I need your help. I need your help. I can't go back home now. My father will skin me alive. My father. Hey!
Machi. What is it? What is happening? What is it? What is it?
Nothing in there. I came outside. I wanted to take fresh air. Imana, then something flew and entered my eyes. I'm trying to... Yes.
Why are you here talking to yourself? Eh? Ne, why? See, If it is because of Ikemba, I will invite him to come and he will come, you know.
Mbanne, it's not about Ikemba. Before now, he said only comes here. So it's not about him. I'm fine. I just want to get fresh air. That's just...
Okay, if you say so. No, we don't have enough water in this hut. So you can go and fetch some water.
Okay, I'll do that.
My daughter, how are you?
My name is Machi. I am coming to your hut to see you came back.
I know who you are. You are such a beautiful girl. Beautiful maiden. How are you?
I'm fine.
I want to give you an advice as a mother. You see, men, most of the times they don't know what they want. Ikemba, my son, might not have told you the truth. You see this maiden here? She's pregnant with Ikemba's child. We are getting ready to go and marry her and welcome her into this house to be able to take care of our grandchild. And I'm sure my son will never tell you that. I'm advising you as a mother to stay away from my son. Stop seeing him. He's getting married soon. You're a beautiful maiden and you will meet a man that will love you. Let no man deceive you, okay? Thank you. Just stop seeing my son.
Wait, what are those building around your eyes? Tears? But you knew he had somebody. And you still went ahead and threw yourself on him. Are you not foolish? Well, I don't blame you. I understand that my Ikemba is a sweet and handsome man. But you know what? Now that you know that his child is growing inside of me, you better back off. Don't worry. When the date for the dowry is set, I will invite you.
It's okay. Let's go. Have a nice day, my dear.
No, I invited you here. See, initially I didn't want to interfere. But the way my child is going, she's just pining away every day. And I mean, she's no more herself. See, you are my son, as much as she is my daughter. And I want these things to be made up so that I will know what is happening. See, even looking at you, you are not even fine. Don't pretend you are fine because I can see you are not.
No, as well. Where did she go to?
I thought she went out since morning. Though. I was thinking she went hunting, but her gun is here. So, okay, she's coming. Give me one. No. You're welcome. See, let me go and see what Ogo is doing. He's breaking firewood for me.
Ogo is here?
Yes, he's breaking firewood at the backyard. So.
Well, I'm here now.
You people can talk it over.
I've missed you. I'm sorry for being absent all this while. I just had a lot to deal with.
You have a lot to deal with.
You have a lot to deal with. A lot sleeping with Ugebe, right?
What? Uguru? Huh? Did you tell her?
No, didn't tell her anything, no.
Oguru, you knew about this?
So you knew about this?
And you were eating from the same pot with me. Why I worry about Ikemba?
Machi, I'm sorry. Ikemba made me promise. I vowed I won't tell anybody.
Guru was the only one that knew about this. How did you find out?
Well, your mother and your pregnant bride told me today. She said she was grateful to invite me for her dowry payment. Ikemba, what have I ever done to you to deserve this kind of wickedness?
Machi,
I thought you loved me.
Did you say pregnant?
Pregnant? Yes, I said pregnant. Why are you acting surprised? Let me just ask you one question. Did you sleep with her?
I don't know how it happened.
Ikemba, you slept with her. And now you're telling me you don't know how it happened. Ikemba, I do not want to see you again. Ikemba, stay away from me. Go and get married to your betrothed. Go and get married to her. The person your parents are in full support of. Go and get married to her and leave me alone. Thank you so much. Thank you for breaking my heart and making a mockery of me in this village. Thank you so much. The gods will punish you. Leave me alone. Ogoro, take your glutton hands off my body. You all are betrayers. Betrayers!
But I'm not a betrayer, Lou. I'm not a betrayer. I was only protecting my friend. Why is he calling me a glutton? I've not even eaten anything today. Just one plate I've eaten in the morning. Huh? I must be eating like 2 times. Ikemba, you too. When we were enjoying the two, I was not there. You told Fegusi didn't do you. You told Foha it did not do you. And people are holding me.
Mama? Yes. Mama? Ogono, why are you shouting my name?
It's good that you are here. What did you two say to Machi today?
I told her the truth.
How come I know nothing about this truth?
Which one don't you know? You don't know that when you sleep with a woman, she could get pregnant and you'll be obliged to marry her?
How come I am hearing this from outsiders? That she's pregnant and that I'm going to marry her.
Aren't you the one that did it? Or Metoriaka?
Enough. Why this noise in this compound? What's the problem?
Joya.
Papa, the problem here is that I know nothing about her being pregnant. Not to talk of any dowry payment.
How would you be aware? When you hardly stay in this house for 2 weeks now, you've been out. So, as your father and an elder, I cannot sit and watch you go wrong. So what I'm telling you now is that we have decided to complete every arrangement and bring back your wife. With or without you, we've decided that we will go and bring her back with our grandchild. And this is final.
Final.
Is it not so?
Yes, Obrosia Meya. Are you not the one that did it? Or didn't you touch her?
Papa, I will not be there.
Okay,
Mama, congratulations to you on your new co-wife.
Which one is new co-wife? Which one is co-wife? When you were doing it, you didn't know?
My daughter, come. Don't worry. Don't mind me. We are with you. Okay?
Solidly behind you.
Thank you, Nine.
All right. Nonsense.
This one, I'm going to go. How are you enjoying it?
What would I have done without you?
One day I will tell you how I became Uzo's wife. Hey, why are you so much in a hurry? You still have time now.
Mama! I'm so happy.
He will marry you. He doesn't have an option.
Hey! Chimebuomo! Chimebuomo!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know you are disappointed, but I'm
Matthew. So this is it. Matthew, this is it. After all I did for you, after everything I did to make sure I give you a better life, the gods know I tried my best. I did everything in my power to get you married to a wealthy man. But what did you do? You said no. Instead, you chose to run. Oboso, after all the runnings, what did you come back with? Pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy. Hey! What did I do to deserve this? Machi, I planned giving you a good life. You chose disgrace and mockery. And mockery. You decided to tarnish the image of this noble family. But I will never let that. I will never allow that. The gods know that I am going to end it today. Yes! Today, I'm going to show you why I am called Ago. You've been hearing my name. You don't know the meaning. But today, you shall find out. If I don't kill you today, you know that I'm not Ago. Woman, get your hands off me. Off me! You! I will so deal with you that you will never live to tell the story. You want to tarnish the image of this family. You just don't disgrace me. Run out of it. Woman, off me! Get your hands off me! Leave me!
Nick, I know how bad this thing looks right now, but I promise I'll fix it. I honestly don't know how she got into my room, not to talk of even getting pregnant. Nick, please, I need you to help me talk to Machi. Help me talk to her. I just need time so I can sort these things out.
Ikemba, you know you are my son. You are my son. I am not angry. I'm not angry at all. I'm not angry. But I want to say that, please, leave Machi alone. Leave her. Hmm? You know a child is involved. And because a child is involved, I would want you to go ahead with your family, whatever they want you to do. You have to take your child. You have to do something because that child is involved. That child is yours. Or do you want to leave that child to be raised by your father-in-law? Mba no. Mba. So because of that, please, move on. Machi has really moved on too. She has gone back to her father's house. Let her go there and see what she can make with her own life. Move on, my dear. That is what I want to say. You must not always end up with who you want to. That is life for you. Love does not even come in every marriage. No. Hmm?
I won't be able to smile again if I don't see Machi. Is that what you want for your son? Yeah? I never really asked about her father's name. How will I be able to find her if I get to her village?
You want me to tell you her father's name? I will not. You know why? I promised Machi that I wasn't ever going to tell you where to see her if you want to. I didn't. I promised her that. You know, I was the one that encouraged this relationship from the beginning. And I don't even know what to say about how it ended. I am not so happy about it, but what can we do? Go on, move on. Go look after your family and your child. Machi has moved on. I want to go inside and rest my bones. Be a man. Let me go and rest. Go home. Go home.
Mikemba, I am happy that you have finally decided to join this meeting. Not having something to do each time. I want to inform you that we have concluded every arrangement. All that is required of you is just to follow us in 2 days' time to go and bring back your wife here in this house. I believe you have to be a man, not acting like a child each time. Knowing also that she's carrying your seed in her.
Ikemba, I am happy that you have decided to listen to your parents. We cannot mislead you. Everything we are doing is for your own good. Ugobo is a nice girl, and she loves you so much. Go on.
Papa, you can see you already have everything under control. I'll just go inside and have some rest.
It's okay, my son. I know that by the time she comes here and he spends quality time with her, he will come to love her and also realize that she loves him too.
I hope so.
Well, I am doing all this because of Nduka, my friend.
Understand.
Abandoning his pregnant daughter just like this will not speak well of us. It will have effect on a relationship we have built over these years.
I understand. And that is why we're putting all this effort to make it happen. I am with you. And everything will be all right. I'll try my best.
It is okay. I need to drink.
Okay. Water.
Ogologo ke gara aga, nwoke tụrụ enyi ya n'ụzọ ọjọọ.
You are claiming kingdom now. You are claiming a hard man. I wonder how you're going to cope with your daughter's delicious food when she must have gone to live with her husband. I suggest you go and remarry.
So my friend, Uzo, don't bother yourself. I already have my eyes on someone.
Eh?
Mom, I already have my
I
eyes on
know, I
someone.
know.
Yes. And I'm happy she's getting married and leaving my house. I thank the gods.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
the gods.
You are claiming the big,
It's a good thing.
the big hat. Anyway, it is the wish of every father to see her daughter gets married. But the thing I want to assure you is that your daughter will be taken good care of in my house.
Mom.
Because of the love I have for the mother.
I know.
Hey, that's good.
Uzo.
Get married.
Sure.
Uzo! You don't sleep with Akunne after we got married.
Where is this one coming from? Why would you like to bring back hotels?
I'm bringing up hotels. If you did, it simply means that our son slept with his sister. What? Because Ugebe is your daughter and they've committed sacrilege. Do you understand it at all?
Uzo, what did she say? Uzo, did you sleep with Akunne after we got married? Did you? You!
Excuse me.
Sorry?
Are we trying to say that I slept with my own sister and she's pregnant for me?
I'm not pregnant. I lied. After Neil laced your drink that night, I joined you as planned. But when I saw that you were still adamant, I had to lie to Neil that I'm pregnant. So the whole marriage rite will be hastened.
Uzo, what is happening here? Uzo, you mean you slept with Akunne? Tell me something.
You see, Akunne, I love her. She was the love of my life. And something led to something as we were talking. You know, emotions build up and it just happened. We never meant for it to happen. I'm sorry.
Uzo, you mean you slept with Akunne? Uzo, you did. Uzo, you are evil. You are evil. I'm disappointed in you. Don't worry.
Today is today. Eh? This is a day somebody is praying for. That a day your daughter will get married.
Exactly.
Not that bringing shame to the entire house.
I will never allow my daughter bring shame to this family.
That is why she need to marry.
A worthy husband.
A worthy husband.
Not just to marry. Have you forgotten the family we came from?
I don't hear. This our family is most respected in this community.
Exactly. Because we don't allow our daughters marry anyhow husband.
And
when we want to marry, we'll marry them well.
We'll marry them well. A worthy man.
Yes.
Eh? Okay, can Agun, we have been waiting here for a considerable length of time. When is this our in-laws coming? Eh?
But sometimes when you talk, I wonder if you talk from your mouth or from your anus. Eh? Don't you know Mazi Dike again? How do you expect that old man to be in a haste? He's an old man. A man that is over 70 years. I don't know if he's even up to 80 now. You don't expect him to be in a hurry. He'll be walking slowly. What is important is that he is coming today to pay my daughter's dowry. So even if they come at night, we are here. We are here. We must wait for them.
Okay. In that case, let the bride to be go inside. You know, it is not good. It is not in our tradition for an in-law to come and meet the bride seated.
Dimba, sometimes I wonder if you are truly my brother. Why are you talking like this? Why are you talking as if you don't know this my daughter again? Wait, you want her to run away again? You think I'm mad that I asked her to sit here? The moment this girl leaves my side, boom, she disappears.
Yeah, Mia.
Mia Kagwo. That is why I have asked her to sit here where I will be seeing her. In fact, she is like she's even far from me. We'll go there, go over to the other side. Go to the other side, let me be close to her.
Are you not seeing her? Are you not seeing her?
Leave her, she will not Mia. Agwo, you got me.
Talking about our in-laws seeing her. Have you forgotten that Idika is almost blind? He doesn't see well again. Yes, he's losing his sight. In fact, even if he comes to this place, he will not even recognize who the wife to be is. I'll be the one to tell him, see the guy you want to marry.
What we want is that is well.
Exactly. But for tradition's sake, as soon as we sight the in-laws coming, I will allow her to go inside.
The condition that you hold her for me, I will do that if it is one.
This is her identity. Is she not? Are you blind? Don't you know my elder sister? Does she look like Mazi Doko?
Dada.
This is not the person I'm looking for.
Let this woman not come here.
Oh, come.
That is, you know how I used how she used to do.
What is it? No, what is he doing here?
Machi, why did you not tell me that you were pregnant?
Ned, I do not want to disappoint you. I was ashamed of myself. And I do not want you to tell my father because I know what he can do.
You know what he can do, yet you came here? Huh? You came here for him to just do that which he knows best how to do. Sell you out for goats and yams. Was that really the reason why you came?
Ned, what do you have me do? Stay back and watch Ikemba and his wife? No. A man that betrayed me and made a fool out of me. Ned, what is he doing here?
Come, give me your hands. Come.
Dada, please sit down. Please sit. Madam, sit down.
Dad, on a day like this, if Adanne spoils this traditional marriage, if you don't leave this sort, if my
Why would
Adanne
they go
spoils
that
this
far?
I don't know.
I knew there was no way I would have betrayed you in such manner.
I'm sorry. Sorry for not believing in you. Sorry for not waiting for you. I was just confused because of pain and
I understand. And I'm sorry too. You know, there was no way I was not going to come looking for you if I knew you had my child.
So you're the one that impregnated my daughter. It is you. I don't know who is the father of this boy. Him, start talking now. I don't know who is the father of this boy.
Let me talk. His father's name is Mazuzo. The Mazuzo you all know. And like you know, Mazuzo is ready to give you no matter how big the goats are, and then big bands of yam. That is what you like, isn't it?
Don't laugh yet. Bianwam, Owezoku, are you truly the son of the Maziozo, the great Maziozo that I know? Are you truly his son? Let me hear from the horse's mouth.
Strong, okay?
I have come to take her home.
That is not what I'm asking you.
Are you in one way?
And I am willing to provide any amount of goats or yam that may be required. Machi, I love you so much. Machi, I love you so much.
That means you are truly the son of Maziozo. This is wonderful. This is good. This is the kind of news I want to hear. Maziozo, the almighty Uzo. Hey, Ugodia, what are you still waiting for? Go to the backyard. Kill the biggest fowl there. Collect 3 big tubers of yam from my yam barn. Cook it. Bring it for my in-laws.
I like that part in mine. That food part is my department. Anything food is my own. But before then, Machi, I hope you're forgiving me. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I was only protecting my friend.
It's fine, I've forgiven.
Okay.
That is no longer important. We'll go there inside.
Go
and prepare something for my in-laws.
Prepare something, let's eat. And make us a mule or what?
I thought you and your brother were saying
No, you will not go again. Go back. Go inside and prepare something.
If you will go, will you be here after? You would have gone since now.
We are planning it.
No, you can't go. Go inside. Go and help your mother. And okay.
I would like to be your father's acquaintance. He likes what I like.
Oh, I don't
come.
Come and sit down. Will they come or will they be what I'm
I should come.
Come close.
Come close. I'm going to show you.
Come close. Sit. Take. Drink. Food is coming.
Here go G oh God.
G cracker. Adan.
When you will man na Adan ne wo. Adan le ta wa le track it.
Relax, eh?
Adan your mark.
Are bele, eh? Feel at home. Ogo, come on, let's talk.
Ah, Jiri me jaka.
Ogo man.
Apena. Now.
Don't you know his father?
Huh? Hey! Oh, you're not man by all play ball.
Uzo. Yeah, kunu jiwa yako.
Mama, okay.
Obidia Moses,
Moses, son of God.
You must have gone a very long way. Hunger. Hey,
An old man brought two goats, he brought two big heavy arms. 9 pots of palm oil.
So that he doesn't come here and spoil this one.
Ella,
he's coming.
Food is coming.
You see, because of you, I have cancelled the marriage. Another man wanted to come and marry her today, but that one is no longer possible. I'm giving her to you. Eat and drink.
Old man knows money, oh. Old man knows money, oh. Mano wanacho ihe siri ike. Ewa buribu kariagi. Jiatoro gologo kariam pisi okugi. Okenyaga ejin kudoge oma. My daughter, you are beautiful, but the world wants strong things. This goat is fatter than you. His arm is taller than your leg. This old man will hold